Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke. I'm so happy you are here. Snacking on an apple this morning before we go to SoulCycle. This is gonna be a few days in the life. I don't really know what's in store, so you'll have to join me and see. But I'm back in New York. I finished my solo trip if you didn't watch the last vlog. Went to Canada, went to Toronto, had a fantastic time. I already miss it. We're back in New York, so gotta get back in the routine. Taking a SoulCycle class. Leggings are my Wonder Train, the best. Story sports bra, and I'm just wearing this Cuts like pullover because it's like 60 degrees, a little chilly. We're gonna walk over there. We've kind of like an all over the place day today. I got back yesterday, unpacked, did everything, so I'm set. But today I am going to the hematologist. If you've been following like the medical sagas that I've been going through with my swollen lymph node, today I'm going to the specialist. I'm going to this doctor's appointment by myself. The past few, my mom has been going with me, not necessarily into the room, but like waiting in the lobby, which has been so nice. I'm going to this one alone because it's the middle of the day. Ben is in school, parents can't make it, you know, so I gotta be a big girl and go by myself. I'm trying to just, you know, have a chill day besides that. Stay calm. But in positive news, I just heard that it's confirmed on Friday I'm heading out to East Hampton, staying in a gorgeous house for the weekend with Gretchen, Katie, I think some others. We're working with a brand and we're really freaking excited about it. It's gonna be sick. The opportunity is a little last minute because it's Wednesday, but it's coming all together and I'm just beyond excited about it. We're going out east. We're gonna have so much fun. So I guess I need to put together some outfits for that. I definitely have stuff I could work with. I don't need to shop. And I'm just wearing my belt bag. And I'm gonna carry my water. Let's go. The theme of this class, I'm so excited. Sometimes they do themes for the SoulCycle rides, like, you know, a musician or a decade or something. And this one is Fred again versus Odessa versus Rufus Du Sol. It's like the trifecta. I'm so excited. That was Margot Lee in that last clip waving. So just on Margot Lee, she's the best. Can I please get the harvest bowl? It's delicious. I replaced the almonds with mushrooms randomly. Not that it gives the same effect, but it's so good. I got a harvest bowl. I ended up just showering and then kind of going into a hole of TikTok because I started getting a little stressed out about this appointment and I just started distracting myself and then I spiraled. Anybody else ever do that? Yeah. This is my outfit, this t-shirt. I love where the crop is. It's like the perfect loose crop tee. It's from Nudes, N-U-U-D-S. A Goldie loose jeans, and then these are Nike Dunks, I think, and I'm bringing my big bags. I have like my book, protein bar, water, just everything, because I might be there for a few hours. We'll see. We gotta go. All right, I just finished my appointment. I'm on the Upper East Side. I'm gonna just start like walking in the direction of home. I'm not gonna walk all the way. I had a phone call, so I stopped home. I'll talk about the doctor when I get back, I guess. Well, I procrastinated for a while, did my phone call, and then I was like sitting here, and I was like, I really need to go to Trader Joe's. For some reason, I just haven't been wanting to go. Probably because I'm going at literally the busiest time, so it's gonna be like overwhelming, but it's fine because we need to go. So let's go to Trader Joe's. I know it will be worth it. I'm getting a bunch of stuff for the Hamptons. I'm gonna get snacks, stuff are here. I actually have no list, just vibes, so. Place Zaza City was put in. I thought it was a pizza place. I was like, oh cool, this new pizza place is coming, Zaza City. Did not know the alternative meeting. Whoops. We are home and the sun is about to set in 10 minutes, so we got to do this haul. I got a bunch of stuff. I definitely got carried away on the snacks, but we are going to enjoy them all this weekend, like for real. They will all be enjoyed, and if not, then I can use them next weekend and whatever. I have a lot of like snacky occasions coming. I have 3 big bags too. Okay, first up, eucalyptus. I'm not gonna put it in my shower, I'm just gonna put it in a vase. I just think that it looks good, it stays good for longer than, I was gonna get flowers, but I'm leaving this weekend and I was like, this will stay longer than flowers will, thinking long term. They also had gorgeous peonies, but I was, once again, I'm not gonna be here for the weekend, so I was like, it's kind of a waste. Now we have this bag. Obviously love my reusable Trader Joe's bags. They honestly are just the best reusable bags. Like, you can use them for everything. It's been so long since we've done a Trader Joe's haul. I've missed them. I know they're so popular on my channel, so welcome back. I've tried these before, they're really good. Dill pickle potato chips. These are gonna be for my apartment. Veggie sticks. I like these with a dip. Corn dippers, these are also for the weekend trip with dips. These are for here really. I've been on a lava cake kick. If you've been watching my recent vlogs, I've been like making myself one at night. Not every night, but they've just been really on my mind. So I got them. And then also just, I'm on my period right now too. So I got chocolate hold the cones. Clearly craving chocolate. I haven't seen these in a while, the bean, rice, and cheese burritos. I feel like they're normally out of stock, but I haven't been to Trader Joe's in months, so I had to get those. Japanese style fried rice, my favorite fried rice. Maybe I'll have this for dinner. For my coffee concoctions, I got brown sugar oat creamer, so good, and I got whipped cream. I've been craving this too, sometimes on top of coffee. Bag. This is something new that I'm intrigued by, but I'm gonna bring it. Enchanted Jangle, a magical mix of assorted candy treats. Pink and orange swirled confectionery chips, milk chocolate covered pretzel nuggets, salted waffle pretzels, lemon yogurt confectionery coated animal crackers, strawberry yogurt confectionery coated mini marshmallows with rainbow nonpareils. So no peanuts. I was nervous because the normal Jangle mix has peanuts. I'm allergic. This doesn't. Love it. These coconut chocolate date bars sounded intriguing. They kind of sound like Lara bars because I feel like that's exactly what it is. It's date paste, almond butter, coconut flakes. I figured. Also for my coffee, just more brown sugar. Mine is like dried up and I'm literally scraping the bottom. So I like to do a spoonful of this and then brew an espresso pod. It's delicious. Power Crunch bars, more candy, just candy for this weekend. I don't know why. Going and like on a road trip and all that, candy. Like they just go hand in hand. A road trip, candy, the perfect pair. These are both new to me. Beach Day gummy candy. I heard these are more like fruit snacks. And then the Tangy Turtles tart and sweet gummy candy. I like these because they have a little bit of like the sour stuff on them. Yum. These are both for the trip. I got pita bite crackers and fig and olive crackers. For myself, I got a bunch of seaweed snacks because I love these. Oh, I got cold brew for me. Honestly, sometimes I just want to switch it up and I want to have a cold brew at home, but I only have Nespresso, which I know you can make iced. I literally brewed like an ice pod this morning, but it's not cold brew, you know? Cold brew is different, so I just got the Trader Joe's cold brew in the red cap one. So good. Roasted garlic hummus for this weekend. I don't know if I'll bring these or whatever. Once again, I was craving chocolate on my period. Dark chocolate cookie sticks. Twisted cookie sticks dipped in Belgian dark chocolate. The packaging sold me. For this weekend, carrots to go with the hummus, salsa to go with the chips. I might have this here, the spinach and kale Greek yogurt dip. I got so many chips. Truffle potato chips. It's been a while since I've been on my jerky. It's such a good savory snack that actually fills me up. I've been trying to get better about protein. If I have something with protein, it fills me up. If I don't have protein, I'm not full. So, high protein snacks here. Turkey jerky and the chomp sticks. I was an OG on these, but I fell off. I'm back again. I got my dad a birthday card because it's his birthday this weekend, but I see him tomorrow. And wait, this is actually so cute. He loves Old Fashions, the drink. So I saw this, was like so my dad. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, this box of this mac and cheese got like wet from something in this bag, so it's like opening up. We're not letting that go to waste. I got mac and cheese, always like to have that here. And then at the bottom of the bag I just have cheese, just some basics for a light cheese board. The cheese board like has to be eaten because that's like the fresh stuff, but like the chips and everything, like if they're not eaten they can, you know, come back, whatever. So I got assorted meats. I love these because they come with like different types of meat, so it's just like easy. Wow, this feels like such an OG Trader Joe's haul for me. Triple cream brie with mushrooms, unexpected cheddar, the best, manchego, the trifecta, and that's everything. Pretty much all snacks. This is why I haven't been going to Trader Joe's though, because I've been trying to honestly cut back on snacking just because I do a lot of mindless snacking. But when I'm like with friends and whatever, like I just think it's so fun to like be, especially wherever you're staying, hotel, house, whatever, road trip, like I just think it's so fun to have snacks and like, you know, that's really important to me. When I'm just sitting working at home, do I need to be like mindlessly snacking? Probably not. Only sometimes. Oh, I didn't show this. I got light string cheese for the house for me. High protein. I'm gonna put this away and then hang out, I think, on the balcony and maybe finish my book. So we'll do that. It's 8:40. Woke up naturally at 6:40. I don't know what's happening to me. I'm just waking up super early these days, but I went to bed early, so. But I'm here for it. I would rather be waking up early, going to sleep early than like the opposite, you know? I finished this book this morning. I gave it 4 out of 5 stars. I feel like it's not talked about. Like I haven't heard anyone talk about it. Maybe it's just the people I follow in my little bubble, but the cover also like, the cover of a lot of these books, they don't do a good job of describing the story, I would say. But this, to me, like, I was like, is it like a coloring book? Like, it wasn't giving me much. And it is so much more than that. There are so many, like, really important themes around, like, mental health and, like, relationships, and just, it's just a great book. There's no quotation marks for most of it. Like, it's written in like italics when people talk, and it's based in the UK, so I guess kind of similar to Normal People. It's less of like a fruity, like, oh my god and they love each other. It's like very real, raw. It's about a 26-year-old who's an American living in London, and she meets this boy. It's about their relationship and more than that, and it kind of like flashes back and forward too. So I would suggest, if you like books like that, or Tell Me Lies, if you like that, you would probably like this book too. So 4 out of 5. Cool. Now I'm going to read The Nature of Fragile Things. My aunt actually told me about this, and I feel like I've just heard a lot about it. It's a historical novel. Yeah, I guess we'll see. I feel like this is just one of those books that, like, you know, a lot of people have read and they liked it and stuff, so we'll see. I don't love every historical novel, but Nightingale is one of my favorites. I'm gonna get on this. I'm loving this bookmark that I got at Books A Million. I'm taking a workout class in like an hour, so gotta get moving soon. I've just been kind of tidying up around here and doing a few computer things, posted a video today, so all good stuff. My family comes today, my mom, my dad, my brother, because my brother is sleeping here tonight, so we're all gonna go to dinner, hang out, celebrate my dad's birthday early, and then my brother is sleeping here. Like, I have to take out the air mattress and everything because he starts his internship tomorrow, but he doesn't have housing in New York City until tomorrow. So I was like, you can totally stay with me. So that would be fun. We're just gonna have like a good evening together. So excited for that. But obviously I need to clean my apartment because I want my parents to understand that I live in a, you know, I'm good at taking care of my space. And I realized I didn't even say what the doctor said yesterday. I went to the hematologist. She did like physical exam, and then she took, well, not she, but like then the nurse came in, took my blood. So we'll know in 2 weeks. 2 weeks we're gonna do like a proper like meeting back there and like go over everything. So that was that. It really wasn't like too bad, but it was really, really sad being there because it was a oncology hematology center. I like literally can't even talk about it because just being there and like being in the waiting room, like it was just like a lot. I'm gonna be okay, and I'll keep you guys posted. Heading out the door, I'm gonna go take a core power class. Let me show you my outfit. The first time I took a class at core power, I did wear shorts, and then I started wearing leggings, but I just think shorts are better because you sweat so much. A lot of other people wear shorts too, I'm noticing, because I just feel like you sweat so much. So this set is from Lululemon. I can link it down below. They're sold like as separates. The sports bra, I think that they are, I don't know if they're like sold out of this color or getting rid of it, but they have this color in other like styles too. It's just the Java color, which I love so much. I'm gonna throw a sweatshirt over, and then I just have sneakers. We're gonna walk over to core power. So let's go take a class. I always feel so strong after these classes. Really sore, but strong. I swear every time I take the yoga sculpt class, I come out like in a daze because it's hot in there and you're sweating, and it feels so good, but I feel like every muscle in my body is just shaking right now. I just beat my face. I just wasn't feeling very confident. So, and my skin's not looking the way that I would like it to. I have my family coming over and we're going out to dinner and like gonna have a good night, and I was like, I don't want to feel this way. So I decided to just put on full coverage foundation and like really go in, and I feel a lot better. I feel like it looks really glowy and good. I used the Revlon Color Stay foundation. Love it. So it's the next day. I know I suck, but I was with my family and we were just having such a good time. I didn't really feel like vlogging, but I will tell you what we did because this was really fun. I just love the East Village in the summer and the spring. I just feel like it's so alive, and there are just so many good bars and restaurants. So we were strolling around. I was like, let's just walk through East Village and like see what happens. Also, the self tan is tanning. I used Bondi Sands in like a different color this time, and I really like it. I did the 1 hour like yesterday, and then I washed it off, and then like it developed kind of like more overnight. So we went to this place. We were just like strolling on the streets, and then I was like, we saw actually this hot dog place. I went on my Google Maps because I save all my locations on my Google Maps if I want to go to a place, like if I see a place on TikTok or if I've been to a place or if I'm walking by and a place looks interesting, I'll just save it all in my Google Maps. So this way, when I'm just walking and like on my phone or something, I'm like, oh, looking for like a bar or a coffee shop nearby, I have all of those locations saved. Really good hack. My dad pointed out like the hot dog place. I was like, oh, cool. And then I looked on my map. I was like, wait, there's actually like according to what I have written down, there is a speakeasy inside. Do you guys want to go? And my mom like freaked out. She's like, I literally love a speakeasy. So it's called Please Don't Tell. You enter through this hot dog place. You go through a phone booth and it's super cute on the inside. Just like dark, cool drinks, really great vibe. So we got one drink there and then I wanted to take them to dinner at Thursday Kitchen. So that's where we went for dinner and that was great too. The drinks are in like fun pouches. Really fun place for like a group dinner because it's Korean tapas style. So we got a ton of food and like split it all and it was really, really fun. Probably a better vibe to like bring your friends, but I wanted to bring my parents to like a cool place because I feel like we normally go to like, you know, like a nice Italian dinner or whatever. I was like, I'm just gonna shake it up and bring them somewhere different. And then Sal slept over yesterday because he starts work today. So, and he gets his apartment like lease going today. So he just needed to stay here last night. Which went well. We didn't kill each other, so I'm kidding. If you have a brother, you know. I guess any siblings. I feel like this brother-sister, especially older sister, younger brother relationship is interesting. But we didn't fight, actually. It was good. I'm very proud of him. He's doing great things. So now I'm just quickly getting ready because I'm gonna pull my car around so that I could start loading it up because we go to the Hamptons today. I'm gonna do a whole separate vlog on that. Basically, this brand offered to put us up at a house and we're doing like a few activities with them, but really not so much. It's supposed to be a pretty crappy day tomorrow, I think, like just kind of cold, which kind of sucks, but not the end of the world at all. We're still gonna have a lot of fun. But because of the unpredictable weather, I'm bringing so many different outfit combinations because tomorrow is supposed to be 60 degrees and like maybe even rainy, but we're supposed to go to a pool party. I'm like, how are we gonna go to a pool party if it's 60 degrees and raining? So we need to figure that out. And yeah, that's all that's really going on. We are packed and probably overpacked, honestly, because I just brought a variety of outfit options just so that, you know, things go one way or another. I don't know. I just want to feel prepared. In the car, I'm wearing this little fit. I love this tank top. I have the cropped version and the long version, but I actually like the long one better. It's from Abercrombie. I like it with the black because I can kind of like roll it down and it looks like a dress, or I could like, you know, roll it up. And this skirt is from Spanx. Feeling like a tennis mom, but you know, we're going to be in the car for like 4 hours. So in the black with my tan, I just feel like it looks phenomenal. And I'm gonna get all the Trader Joe's snacks all packed, and then I'll meet Katie at the car, and Gretchen's going to drive down from the Cape and we will meet her at the house. So I'm going to start the next vlog, which will be the Hamptons weekend in my life. So look forward to that. We're staying at literally the coolest house ever. I feel so beyond thankful. So stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much. So grateful for you, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.